Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I will be showing you guys how to make a oatmeal and brown sugar body butter scrub bar. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos like these. And please leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So first we're going to start by melting down our shea butter, our beeswax, and also our canola oil in a double boiler. And don't forget, you guys, you can substitute with whatever oil you would like. So now we're gonna move on to melting our wax, butter, and oil. And always remember, you guys, to use gentle heat to melt down your waxes, your butters, and also your oils. So once our base has melted, we're gonna allow it to cool down slightly by placing it in the refrigerator. Refrigerate until the mixture has become cloudy and has the consistency of melted chocolate. And once it has cooled down, now you can add your antioxidant vitamin E oil and also your essential oils. And start to make sure that it is incorporated into the body butter base. Once that is done, now you can add your grinded oats. Oats is known to be a great natural exfoliant and cleanser, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties, and it also helps to soothe the skin. Oats are a really great choice to add in your exfoliant scrubs because it is great for sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, and also eczema. And once you've added your oats, make sure to mix it in thoroughly. Then add your brown sugar and mix that in thoroughly as well. It looks and smells so yummy, you guys. It's like a breakfast cereal for your skin. So now we're gonna pour our mixture into our silicone molds. And once we have poured them, we're going to refrigerate them for 24 hours. So after the 24 hours, you'll see that they easily pop out of the silicone mold. So I will be showing you how it works on the skin. So once your skin is wet, just simply massage the body butter scrub bar onto your skin. And once it starts to melt, you're gonna feel that creamy shea butter moisturizing your skin as it exfoliates it at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos like these. And also leave me a comment down below to let me know if you tried this recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.